Hi guys, I will show you. We make a fodder here, and this is the fodder stand made of PVC. And we may experiment which grain are best to make a fodder. As you can see, this is the wheat grain, and this is barley, and this is Milo. So we have three grains to make a fodder. So this one we put this grain. What date? It is right now 4 days. This grain has, as you can see, has already a greenery. It is already 4 days. And this one, this and this, 3 days, 2 days, and on the bottom part, this I put this one just only this morning. So it's look like, guys, now as you can see, if you notice, it's look like better the barley and the Milo. The wheat, not much the sprout, but it's colored green. But we need to be like this. We make this for our livestock, especially for our cow, Margaret, because she is so picky, and this coming winter, we will mix this to the alfalfa because that is only what she like to eat, the alfalfa. The ordinary hay, she doesn't like to eat. And we notice that when we are less the grass in her pasture, she becomes skinny. She lose a little bit of her weight. So we bring her there in our front field so she can eat some of the grass over there. So we decide to make a fodder for her alternatives food, and this is the fodder is very much healthy, more protein. It's good for her. So if it is become better, our fodder, maybe we will substitute this for her grain. So that's it, guys. Our fodder, and it's look like they like the sun a little bit light here, because in this room we did not put a curtain. We like more it's look like we notice if it has a little bit light, the leaves of this fodder is very nice, the color of green. Unlike if the room is dark, it's kind of yellowish. So we decide to be like this. So as you can see, the better is the barley and the Milo. That's it for now, guys. Thank you. God bless, and see you later.